everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. Today, I'm going to show you a step-to-step process on how to log into GitHub. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into GitHub, go to your web browser or you can download GitHub on your Android device as well. On the search box, type in github.com. Tap on the menu bar located at the upper right corner and at the bottom tap on Sign in order to sign into GitHub. Enter your username or your email address. On the next field, enter the password for your account. In case you forgot the password and can't seem to remember it, then tap on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset your password. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Create Account and register yourself to a new GitHub account. After you're done entering your credentials, tap on Sign in and you'll be able to log into your GitHub account. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you found the video useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.